Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix a Dinoblade game not loading or stuck on loading screen, stuck on black screen or other issues on PC. So let's find the solution. The very first method is to restart our PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if the game is launching or opening or not. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for a device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So the game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry. Click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. And once you add the game to the list, after that select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where a game has been installed. Here you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. And after that, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK, and now launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again. Now select disable full screen optimization, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to delete saved game folder. So for that, you have to go to File Explorer folder, click on your name folder. After that, open app data folder. If you cannot find app data folder, click on view, go below, click on show, and here you have to select hidden items. After that, open app data folder, click on local. After that, go below, search the game folder. So the game folder over here is the saved game folder. You have to delete it, but if you can keep a backup somewhere else, and after that right click on it and then click on delete option. After deleting this, now try to launch the game and check if you can play the game. If not, next is to check for Windows update. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. Here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates. This will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once you download it, open it, you will get a repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes, wait for some time, and once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, you have to restart your PC and now click on the play button of the game to check if it's working or not. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, after that, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to close background apps. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now here under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You have to select them, and after selecting it, right click on it, click on enter. So this will close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now the game is added. You have to click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. After doing this, now launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. So this will delete the game from your PC. After that, you have to restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall Dinoblade game, and finally click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not.